Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today we're going to be making a princess bustier. And first of all we're going to be making our half length, which is 17 plus 1, that is 18 inches. So we're using our half length for this measurement. So I'm marking 18 inches in a straight line. Up next, we're going to be marking our shoulder line. For our shoulder line, we're going to be using 8 inches, which is 16 inches divided by 2. We're coming down by 1 inch, and then we're marking our armhole measurement, which is 8 inches, like that. Then up next, we're going to be marking our neckline. We're using 4 inches by 6 inches for the reason of this tutorial. So we're going to connect our 4 inches to that 6 inches that were marked down there as our neckline. We're trying to achieve a round neckline, so just like that. So I'm going to be using my ruler to connect those lines all together. The 8 inches that were measured, we marked there. Then I'm going to connect it, and then I'm going to draw on that line, and then I'm going to slant to the shoulder slant by that 1 inches that we left up there. I hope you're seeing it. Then up next, we're going to mark the midpoint, which is 4 inches. Midpoint of 8 inches is 4 inches. We're coming in by ½ inch. Then I'm going to use my French curve to connect the armhole line, just like that. Those 3 lines, the shoulder, slanted shoulder line, plus the ½ inch, and then on top of that L line that we drew there for the armhole, they will all meet. I think later on I had to trace with my pen because it seems it was not clear enough. So after that, up next, we're going to be measuring our shoulder to nipple, which is 10 inches. Then our shoulders to underbust, which is 14 inches. I'm going to be using our straight ruler to connect all these lines together. Just like so. First line is our shoulder to nipple, second line is our shoulder to underbust. Take note. Up next, we're going to be marking our that line. That line, or nipple to nipple, is 4 inches plus ½ inch, that's 4.5. Then I'm going to take my ruler. After marking it 4.5 inches, highlighting the 4.5, I'm going to use my ruler to connect it. Up next, I'm going to be connecting that 4 inches, that midpoint that I put there. I'm going to be connecting it. I'm going to be connecting it with the other line, but first of all, I'm marking my bust measurement. So my bust measurement is 12.5. That's normal measurement. The main measurement, which is 10.5 plus 2 inches, that's 12.5. Then my under bust measurement, which is 8 inches, 8.2 inches plus 2 inches, which is 10.2 inches, and I'm going to connect the lines together just like that. So guys, up next, I'm going to be connecting that line to the midpoint of my armhole, just like that. So I'm going to be connecting. I'm going to take my pen and do it faintly so that I don't make mistake, since I can't clean. So I'm going to use my pen to do it faintly, just like that. I'm going to connect it. Let that curve not be too sharp. If it's too sharp, it's going to have a bulge. So now I'm going to trace it with my pen properly. Then make sure you come out from that line with at least 1.5 inches, just like that. Come out of it, because if you don't, it will not be enough. With at least 1.5 inches, come out from it with at least 1.5 inches, and then yes, that's that for that. So now after that, I'm going to take my armhole curve and then I'm going to connect it again. That new line that is extended, I'm going to connect it back to my armhole line, just like that. So this is our normal basic princess dart. These are princess cuts without princess breast pad. Take note, this is a basic princess dart. You can use this if you're not using a princess bustier. So now we're going to go ahead and do the princess bustier. That line there, that's what we're going to, as our underbust, we're going to come in with 2.5 inches. Depends on how big the person's bust is. For this one, person's bust is moderate. I'm using 2.5 inches for it. I'm going to connect this line from the underbust down to the half length. I'm going to connect it on a straight line. Guys, next thing I'm supposed to draw is a curve that would look like a bust, not too sharp. This particular one I drew was too sharp and I used the pen. I didn't want to stop the video. I was sincerely not satisfied by this curve. I have intention of attaching a video of a proper curved princess bustier to this. So anyways, I replaced the 2.5 that I took from there back there. Then I took my ruler and I drew it to join the bust line. And since I didn't want to have funny shape, I just drew a straight line up there like that. And then I came up with ½ inch at the top of that line, like so, and I came down with 1 inch. Take note, you come up with half, you come down with 1 inch, and then you take your pen and then you blend. Starting from the up, you blend that ½ inch into your princess line to do a tightening there at that armhole. Then you blend also the 1 inch that you took from below. You blend it in properly, like so. After then, you use a curve ruler to connect it to the extension. Please, the reason why there's a third line, you know, I showed you first the princess, a bustier, ordinary princess dart. So that's the first line. So now I'm just shading out the places that I'm going to be cutting off, so you will not be confused. So if you do not understand so far, see, I'm using my hand to redo this thing because I am seriously not satisfied with the curve that I got there. So like I said, I'm going to attach a video. So if you've come this far and you know you do not understand what I have taught or what I've been drafting since, please feel free at the comment section to ask me questions. I'm already cutting it out. And please do subscribe to my channel so that this channel will grow. I'm so happy to have you here. Because I'm not going to be doing lots of explanation on this video, just posting this here for as many that did not understand my first explanation, just to watch this. Probably you understand this better. I'm going to, this is me drawing a simple back bodice with a zipper allowance. This is a princess dart, and I'm leaving the zip allowance there. So guys, notice how I'm going to make the curve here at the bust. After coming on my 2.5, I'm going to do the curve. See, this curve is not as sharp as the other one, so this is like a very perfect curve. I wanted you to see this so that you don't get confused. So thank you for coming this far. God bless you. I really appreciate. Please, like I said, like, comment and share, and God bless you. And please subscribe if you know you have not subscribed. Thank you. See you in the next video.